Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Acer Aspire 3 A315-24P-R7VH Slim Laptop. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly, high-performance laptop, then this video is for you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more tech reviews. First, let's start with the unboxing. The Acer Aspire 3 A315-24P-R7VH comes in a compact, eco-friendly package. Inside, you'll find the laptop itself, a 45W charger, and some documentation. Our first impression? The Acer Aspire 3 feels surprisingly premium for its price range. The slim profile and matte finish give it a sleek look, perfect for students and professionals alike. Now, let's talk about design and build quality. The Acer Aspire 3 sports a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display that delivers vibrant colors and wide viewing angles. The chassis is made from durable plastic but doesn't feel cheap at all. At just 1.7 kilograms, it's lightweight and portable. The keyboard is comfortable to type on, with decent key travel, and the touchpad is responsive. You get a good selection of ports, including USB 3.2, HDMI, and an audio jack, which covers most of your connectivity needs. Under the hood, the Acer Aspire 3 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 3 7320U quad-core processor, paired with AMD Radeon Graphics. This combination ensures smooth performance for daily tasks such as browsing, streaming, and even light gaming. It comes with 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM and a 128GB NVMe SSD, which ensures fast boot times and quick access to your files. While the storage might seem limited, it's perfect for users who primarily use cloud storage or external drives. Compared to other laptops in its class, the Aspire 3 holds its own, offering a balanced mix of performance and value. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display is a standout feature, providing sharp and vibrant visuals. Whether you're watching videos, editing photos, or just browsing the web, the display quality won't disappoint. The audio quality is decent, with speakers that are loud enough for personal use. While it won't replace your dedicated speakers or headphones, it's more than sufficient for casual listening. Battery life is always a crucial aspect, and the Acer Aspire 3 delivers around 6 to 7 hours of usage on a full charge, depending on your tasks. This makes it suitable for a full day of work or classes. It also supports Wi-Fi 6, ensuring faster and more stable internet connections. The inclusion of Windows 11 Home in S mode enhances security and performance, though you can switch to regular Windows 11 if needed. Let's summarize the pros and cons. On the plus side, you have a sleek design, a vibrant Full HD display, solid performance for everyday tasks, and good connectivity options. On the downside, the limited 128GB storage might be a constraint for some users, and the plastic build, while durable, lacks the premium feel of metal. Overall, the Acer Aspire 3 A315-24P-R7VH Slim Laptop offers excellent value for its price. It's a great choice for students, professionals, and anyone in need of a reliable, budget-friendly laptop. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with anyone considering a new laptop. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.